Okay, hi everybody, I'm Jim. I'm in my shop. You can find me at ifoundjim.com. I'm also the pilot, jimthepilot.com. Anyway, I bought this chainsaw, and this one came from, where was it? Oh, Vinovations Deals. Right there. They've sold a whole pile of them. And this is my second one that I bought because the first one was absolutely no good. And this is the machine right here. It's a reconditioned Husky, and it is the 440 18-inch B model, and I have not yet opened this box. Like I say, this is number 2 because I had to send the first one back because it would not run. It ran, but it didn't run very well. And this is my shop. I'm a woodworker, etc. I build all kinds of neat stuff. These are kitty cots right here. Cat purchase, you can see those at kittycot.com. And I build rustic furniture. I fly for Northwest Seaplanes here in Seattle. And I just wanted to open this up under camera here because I wanted to make sure that we've got the right machine here and that it works. So, like I say, it has not been opened yet. So therefore, take out my trusty knife. Brand spanking new. This is what it looks like when you get it from VM Innovations. So here it is, all packaged up. We're going to carefully unpackage it. And this is pretty much, I pan her around a little bit. This is what it looks like when you get it. So like I say, these are factory reconditioned chainsaws. And we'll put it up on the old bench here. Move all my stuff here. And the thing about these saws, which I have noticed, is they do not allow you to adjust the high and low speed adjustment on these things, near as I can tell. Alright, hang on just a second. See right there it says R, Reconditioned. And I'm hoping they didn't send the same one back. That one has a T on it. And like I say, if you want to adjust those high-speed jets, I'm not sure that it's going to let you in there to do it. It might. I have to take a look and see. No, it looks like they've used some kind of a deal where you can't adjust it. I don't think they want people, homeowners, to adjust these things and, you know, mess them all up. So they have been started before. There's the wrench. And then here's the bar. An 18-inch bar, and the bar looks like a brand new bar. In the bottom of the box is the chain and the paperwork on it. So this is what you're going to get right here. So we're going to put this thing together, and we're going to see if this runs okay too. Okay, so when you first open these guys up, put the bar and chain on it, obviously, this is kind of a homeowner edition. You'll see with my old, this is a Husky 350, okay, this was more money, but you get two, you know, nuts, and there's 2 studs with nuts on it to open up, to take the chain guard off, basically. This one, like I say, homeowner edition. So you have to actually unlock the brake. It's not on very tight. I'm not sure this was a great deal or not. This was $199. It's kind of, like I say, just your basic homeowner edition. This right here is just to keep the distance. Okay, so now we're going to put that on there, and we're going to open up the chain. And I hope you folks, if you have a chainsaw, know how to put a chain on. This is an 18-inch H-3072DL 18-inch chain. be worth it and it might not be. We'll see. And of course you have to mess with the chain to open it up properly. Don't forget to put the chain on the right way. Probably should have bought a steel, brand new, non-factory reconditioned, but yeah, we'll see what this does. They actually give you 60 days to return it if you don't like it. Okay, so that's on. Really, all I'm going to use this for is to trim our hedges and do a little bit of firewood. Okay, let's see if we can tip this thing back up. Put her on. Get her to seat properly. There we go. Well, it wasn't this hard to do. Okay, what we've got to do is loosen this up. There she goes. Now she's dropped down on her. You have to do that little bit of adjustment. Put the nut back on it for all your nuts. Gently put her down. Okay, so let's snug this up a little bit more. Don't want it too tight because we still got to adjust the chain. And I'm going to use my regular screwdriver to adjust the chain. We're a little too tight for adjustment. And I like it so it's right about there. Make sure that bar's tipped up like this. You don't want it too tight. If it's too tight, it's too tight. So you back her off just a little bit, especially a brand new one. Have her a little bit loose because it's brand new. Then you snug up this nut for the cover here. Okay. Yeah, she's a homeowner edition. Okay, and then now we're going to go over to the table over here. And I've got some brand new gas. And this is high test gas. Just set the camera up like this so you can see. And I got brand new bar oil. So let's put a little bar oil in first. I'm going to put just enough in because I may have to send this one back too. And if I have to send it back, I'll have to pour it all out. Tighten that up. And the can looks old, but it's not old on the inside. It's brand new high test gas with the proper mixture of 2-cycle oil. That should be enough to start it. And as I said before, if you don't like it, you send them back. This is the first start for this baby. Okay. There we go. That's the choke. So it's out and up. Then you pump the gas. There, the gas is starting to flow in that ball. You can see it's starting to flow into the ball. Brake is off. We're ready to go. Oh, that's nice. A lot better than the first one I had. The first one I pulled and pulled and pulled. Sounds a little better. This should just sit idle. Sounds like it might do the job. I've got 60 days to try it, so we'll see how she cuts. Thanks.